I would like you to do the forward right bay parking, please.
Okay, so as in...
You can choose, yes, so go into any bay on your right over there. You choose. Examiner will not dictate you to which bay. Now, obviously I told you go to the forward right. Again, examiner will not tell you this. So if you come in the car park, examiner say to you, I want to do forward bay parking. It's your decision should you go to the left or to the right. But looking at this positioning now, what is convenient? Go to the forward left
to the right.
This is why. So the good news is that in our test center is normally forward right as well. So we're going to be learning both, but normally it's a forward right. So you choose the bay you want to go into. Have a target first.
Okay.
Because target is very important, so you know what you're doing.
Yeah.
Okay. And because you're doing forward right, you must signal to the right. So anybody behind you, anybody in front of you, they know they're about to go right.
Okay. No problem. So we're going to signal there.
Yeah.
And I want that space between the red cars.
No, so we're not going to the second bay. We're going in the front like this white car is.
Okay, so
we're going in the first bay.
First bay. Okay. Right.
You could go behind the red car, this Alfa Romeo.
Yeah.
You could go behind that Nissan. You could go in the middle, but we're not going into their space. We're going
sorry, I meant
bay.
like in between those two, but the front bit there, that's the one I meant.
So that is your target, okay, that's fine. So now you've got a target fixed. Key is, rather than going like this, go straight.
Yep.
And then slowly and then turn.
Okay.
The key is go slowly. Just use your foot brake and then we're fine, okay? So just keep going straight like this. But before you start turning right, you must check your mirrors though.
Yep. I don't know if I'm doing this correctly, to be honest with you. But we'll try.
You're doing pretty good. You can lift up your body if you want to.
Yeah, just check where I'm going.
And you can stop your car if you want to. Yeah, completely stop. And then make your tires.
Straight there. No, that's that way there.
That's it. Go forward slightly more and about here. That's it. Secure your car. Once you have secured your car, you're allowed to open your door if you say.
And
check, yes.
So it's safe, yeah. I feel I'm in a line.
You are perfectly in the middle.
Whee!
If you look over there, you can see the small mirror there.
Yep.
When you're doing the forward bay parking, examiner will say to you, or the reverse bay parking, that I would like you to reverse bay parking and forward parking. Just make sure that your tires are inside the bay.
Inside the bay, yep.
They don't care if you are how close. You look at the car there, how close he is from the white line.
Yeah.
But it's still inside. It's fine for the examiner.
Okay.
Even if your car slightly slanted, doesn't matter which way.
As long as you're in.
As long as you're in. Do you understand this?
Yeah.
Now, because this is pretty easy one, normally I say to use people to use common sense.
Yeah.
There is a reference point as well if you're struggling. The reference point is, you see this corner of this door handle here? You can see, or put your finger, that's so if you wanted to come into this bay, so the line near to your side, the white line, that white line and the reference point, once they meet, at that point you stop your car or fast into the right, and that will take you in. When you're coming in, I would suggest lift up your body.
Up and checking in front.
You can see absolutely. So you can adjust your tires if you want to do. Now this is the first part of the maneuver. Now I got this question asked a lot, and I see if you know the answer. So now the examiners say to you that I want you to reverse your car. Let's say drive to your left. So your front body going towards there. Now because we're driving that way, because we're reversing driving that way, where would you do your steering?
To the right.
That's it, well done. And if the examiner asks you to reverse your car, drive to your right. So we're driving that way, where would you steer?
Do it to the left,
So this is the only maneuver when you're reversing, you do your steering opposite direction.
Yes.
Shall we do this?
Yeah, okay.
So when we're reversing, what two things the examiners are testing you?
So control and observations.
Now this is a live car park, remember?
Yes.
If you look over there, kids around, so more shoulders check, so more slow speed as well. Okay. Now, shall we try this maneuver again, or are you happy with this one after we finish with it?
I'd like to try again, just obviously just to try again.
Good. Okay. So what I want you to do, I want you to reverse your car, and we are driving on your left. So your front body is going that way. Just give you one more clue. If there's no cars parked on the side, you can steer early. You don't need to go all the way out. But if there is a car, like if you're in the middle of two cars, then you have to go out completely and then steer. Okay.
So I'm going to reverse there, and I'm going to
we are driving that way.
Okay.
So because we're driving towards on your left, so your front bonnet, when you're going to reverse, you're going that way.
So I'm steering that way.
I don't know. You told me the answers. I leave it to you to do it now.
You're making me second guess myself now. Right, okay. I'm gonna be really careful. I'm gonna go
Full lock.
full lock.
Yeah, slow speed.
Okay.
Look behind.
Yeah, that was me.
Okay, look again.
Yeah, he's coming. Which way is he going?
That's
He's
it.
going that way.
This
Oh,
is
okay.
why the observation is
Yeah,
the key.
is key. Okay. And he's coming out as well.
That's fine. So when he's coming or when he start moving towards you,
Yeah.
we may have to stop again.
Yeah. Okay.
Okay. So now what would you do? We're going to be driving now.
So I'm just gonna do my observations.
So go to the drive,
Yep.
do your observation, then just drive.
Yep. Okay.
But one thing is still not straightened yet.
Okay. Oh,
This is what I say to you. One thing is still
Yeah.
not straightened. You should have straighten your
straight on the way.
wheels.
Yes,
Okay, that's important. In the forward, right bay
Okay.
parking place. Anywhere you like,
Right,
please.
so let's just.
The key is the more left you are, is
It's
better
going to be
for
easier.
you.
So if he said to me like, do I say he or she examiner, would I be like, would it be okay to reverse, get myself a bit more to the left there,
Instead of doing that, why can't we just go slightly
more to the right, and then
Yeah,
to the left, sorry, and then choose
Yes.
a further bit?
Absolutely.
Okay, no problem.
Yes, you can do
Right,
that.
let's do that then.
But make sure you must signal though, so people
Yeah,
behind you they know what
okay,
they're
so we're gonna go right here, and I'm gonna
And
check there.
choose a bay first, and then you can lift up your body as
Yeah.
well.
Okay.
Yes, very good, well done. That's it. Look at it. Instead of looking side, look at the front. Look at the
Yeah.
car is now straightened, isn't it? Yeah.
Yeah.
So, is your okay? This is another question I'm going to ask you. Don't take your feet off the brake.
Okay.
Your car is now straightened. Can you see that?
Yep.
Everything is straight. Now, your wheel looks straight as well, isn't
Yeah,
it?
but it's not.
It's not,
I
isn't
can
it?
tell because it's pulling. Yeah.
It's pulling that way.
Yeah.
But how can you tell if you don't show? One more thing I can tell you. Put the full lock to the right. There's a full lock.
Yeah. So yeah.
You do
okay.
half and one to make it straight. So
Yeah.
make it straight as well. So half and
One,
one. That's it. And now, what would you do?
I'd check. But I don't
Are you
know.
inside the bay or not fully? Are you not too far back a little bit? How can you tell? Any idea?
Oh yeah. Wait. So is.
So I told you that the center
This
black
bit
line. You
here.
see that? No. So no. So you're inside the bay. I'm talking about whether are you in the front other bay or
Oh,
you.
okay.
So the center line who's dividing the two bays.
Yep.
That white line should be under your side wing mirror.
Ah right. Okay.
So
So,
that
I'm too
means-
far back, aren't I?
That's
okay.
it. So about
There. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. I can just see it. Under
there
that's
you
it.
go.
Okay.
Secure your car.
No problem.
If there is no white line, you can use a curb as well.
Okay.
Now you can open your door.
So
and
just
have a-
having the white line from
And
the front just
that's
underneath
it.
the mirror. Yeah, I'm in. Woohoo!
What about from there?
Yeah.
Look at a small mirror.
Oh yeah, the small mirror. Yeah.
Blind small mirror.
Yeah.
Good.
Woohoo.
Well done. Happy
Okay.
with this?
I am happy with
However,
that.
this maneuver not completed yet, is it?
Yeah. No.
What's the second? You say you were too happy too early, isn't it?
I got too happy too early.
Yes. What is the second part of this maneuver?
Getting out.
Yes. Who's gonna do that? Okay. We need to reverse our car.
Yep.
No, go back again. I have not completed yet. Where are we going?
Oh, that way. I don't know.
Exactly.
All right. Okay.
We need to reverse our car,
Yep.
and we're driving towards your right this
Oh,
time.
okay. So we're gonna be turning that way.
I don't know.
Got you. Yes. Okay.
Okay, whenever you're ready,
Right.
please.
Oh, reverse. Yeah. Okay. So we're gonna do that. I'm just gonna wait for him
That's
to walk
it.
past.
That is the beauty of doing observation. See, now you have seen it is going behind us. Good. That's why the shoulder check is important, isn't it?
Yeah. Okay, right, okay, so I feel better now.
Good.
And I'm gonna reverse out. It's that way.
Full stay early, but slow
Full
speed,
steering,
please.
yeah, but
Yes.
slow speed, okay.
It's always brisk steering and slow speed.
Okay.
Shoulder check. About that's it.
Yeah.
And
And I'll
make it.
turn it that way.
Yes. And now go to go to drive and then drive.